This message is broadcasted to you by the United States government. At this time, the dark storm that has consumed the Atlantic and the Caribbean has moved near the southern and eastern coasts. The government has declared martial law and is ordering the population near these areas to evacuate immediately. As the dark storm moves across the Earth, it permanently covers the area it has moved over in complete darkness, blocking out sunlight as well as any light from the atmosphere and space. The entities that are creating the dark storm are currently being engaged by military forces. To any watching or hearing this broadcast, you must pay attention to these next instructions as we cannot provide communication in the dark storm.